Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about adding a border to a certificate. And for this particular tutorial I'm using Microsoft Word 2016. Now let me undo this one so that you can go through the whole process of adding the border to the certificate. Now for Microsoft Word 2016, if you want to add a border, you have to click on design on the menu bar, this design over here. You click on it and you find page borders at the extreme right over here, this side. So you click on that and you have a dialog box appearing on the screen. Now in this dialog box, you come to the last part of it, that's the bottom. You have a place for art, and for this particular document there's no border selected, so they have written none in that particular box. So you only go ahead and click on that drop down arrow at the right side of the box, and you have a list of sample of borders that you can select. So I'm going to select one of these for this particular lesson. So let me select this one for our tutorial. Now after selecting, you have to decide whether you want it to appear big or maybe small. That's the width. So the default number over here is 16, but I will increase it to probably 20. And also the color is black and white, but that does not limit you. You can select the color that you want to add to your border. So you just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow over here, and then you choose the color you like. So I'll use the black and white, so it's just a tutorial. Now after you are done with all those things, you just go ahead and click on OK, and the border will be added to the whole document. As simple as that. Let me minimize this ribbon so I can have a better view of it. Alright, so that's how you add a border to the certificate in Microsoft Word, specifically Microsoft Word 2016. Thank you for watching.